We're all facing different kinds of stress. For children, it's very important that we recognize that they pick up all the stresses that we as adults carry. When they come to school, they come in with silent distress. They're dealing with so many things their brains are not ready to assimilate or cognitively understand.
All the pressure that surrounds testing.
It's hard to focus when your brain's running 1,000 miles an hour thinking about something else.
There's negative stress and there's positive stress. We want the children to move forward.
Mind Up teaches children how their brain works and how to control and handle things that they are feeling.
Mind Up has 4 pillars. The first pillar is learning about your brain.
The prefrontal cortex is primarily what we are learning about, what we're targeting. And so you have your emotional response and your executive functions, and they're overlapping. And that's going to help them in everything that they do because they're going to be able to reflect and think before they react.
The second pillar is a brain break. Every child, every brain needs a break.
Think about the things you have. Think about the things you're grateful for. It helps me relax and calm down.
Our brain breaks are what helps our children focus. When we begin to quiet the mind, it strengthens the mind.
That simple act of breathing 3 times a day has made a huge difference for everyone.
We give them mindfulness practices which are wrapped around their curriculum to create more focused attention, being aware of the present moment without judgment.
Really, the whole point of the sequencing in the Mind Up program is to help students come to an awareness.
When our bodies and brains work together, they will be more successful in their schoolwork and their home life.
Our fourth pillar is our place in the world.
Those ideas of happiness, optimism, perspective taking.
An optimistic child in a safe environment is a child who can learn.
We've all embraced it. And it's so funny, after thinking, oh my gosh, something else to do, it's now just part of what we do.
All these things help a child become more focused, more positive, and you have better results.
You create a culture of kindness in your classroom. They feel safe with each other. They feel safe with their teacher. You have to have a sense of safety to be able to be open to all the amazing things that you're going to learn.
It's also helped me take time for myself.
And now I just feel like I'm more at peace and it's not so crazy. I kind of find a center.
Mind Up is kind of just like... Mind Up is sort of like, it's about helping the brain. It helps you stay focused. Just what's to afraid.
Use mindful breathing and I calm myself.
Calm you down. To do mindful breathing to calm myself down and just do it. Mind Up is awesome.
I really think that Mind Up is important in our school curriculum and that it does help us focus, relax, and calm ourselves down.
The Mind Up program is now serving globally over 400,000 children. That's a drop in the bucket. Every child needs a chance to thrive, to feel that they have a special gift. If we don't give them that respect, we're not doing our job in educating the leaders of tomorrow.